How to log in to a shared Netflix account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can log in to a shared Netflix account, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log into a shared Netflix account, whether or not it is shared doesn't really matter because the process to log in is typically the same. Just open the Netflix application. Then once you launch the Netflix app, it will take you to the sign-in screen where you have to simply enter your username and your password in order to log into your account. So just tap on the sign-in button from the top right hand side. Over here, enter the email address or the phone number that is actually associated with your Netflix account. So after you enter your email address, you can also go ahead and enter your password. So let me do that respectively. Once you enter your email address and your password, make sure your sign-in details are correct, and you just want to tap on the sign-in button over here. And once you tap on the sign-in option, if you want to save it, you can save it, or not, you can just leave it at that. And then now you can see you'll show you all of the profiles over here. Once it shows your profile, you can simply go ahead and log into your specific profile, and then you will be able to watch Netflix just like that. So whether it is a shared account or not, the process to log in is basically the same. That's all it takes to log in to a shared Netflix account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.